Okay, RM end of November, and this is a receiver I picked, let's say maybe 6 months ago, maybe almost a year ago. RCA, at least 4 months ago, somewhere around there. It's a very basic receiver. So I think this has some problems. Basic functions. It tends to get hot quite easily. So I'm gonna look for another receiver when I go shopping. In the back, nothing to the back. So it's very basic in the back. These two here are the best ports for the speakers, but I find I can only use those two there for one speaker. If I try to hook up another one, only one speaker works. It's got all the basic port functions, so I'm not sure about any other way to hook up stereo. Yeah. I think there's maybe connected through here, but with the first one I could pick up very well one speaker, but it's also got one. It's a little bit damaged at the bottom, so I'm thinking this is not good anymore because it does overheat. If we play it for over 30 minutes, this will get warm. Then I will have to turn it off. But still plays, and plays music, plays all the functions, DVD, CD, tape. Nothing special. So it was about 10 bucks, I think, 15 bucks at the time, like 4 months ago. So I think now when I go, I will have to look for another receiver. So notice there's extra plugs here. If that does anything for stereo. But so far this only plays one speaker, and I tried both of them and both my speakers work, but they just work in that one port. That's why I'm thinking this is kinda on its last leg. When I picked it up, it worked for a few months. Thinking it might be my speaker wire, but I'm not too sure because I'm using old speaker wire. But I plug both the speaker wires into one port and it works. So it just works with one speaker now. So that's why, because this gets quite hot after like 30 minutes, 1 hour. It gets kind of hot. So if I find another stereo receiver, I'll definitely pick it up because I will be needing one. Thanks for watching. End of November, RM. And this one was RCA. And on eBay, they're very expensive. Any type of receiver goes around 100 to 200 bucks. This shipping is very expensive for these. So that's why I try not to buy it on eBay, because I don't want to spend $100 on shipping just to get a $100 receiver. But let's see what I come up with. Thanks for watching.